Ever wondered how to look stylish every day? It's not as elusive as it might seem. Looking stylish is about more than just following the latest trends. It's a blend of personal expression, confidence, and an understanding of fashion's fundamental principles. It's about knowing your personal style, investing in wardrobe basics, ensuring a good fit, accessorizing, and even grooming. But most importantly, it's about being yourself. So are you ready to elevate your style game? Let's dive into some tips that can help you enhance your style. Firstly, understand what style resonates with you. Is it the timeless appeal of the classic, the laid-back vibes of casual, the free-spirited allure of bohemian, or perhaps the polished look of preppy? Each of these categories has its unique charm and character. Identifying your personal style isn't about boxing yourself into a single category. It's about understanding which elements from each style speak to you. This self-awareness is crucial because, at the end of the day, knowing your style preference is the first step to looking stylish. Invest in a collection of essential clothing items that never go out of style. Now let's dive into the key pieces that make up the backbone of any fashionable wardrobe. First and foremost is the classic, well-fitted pair of jeans. This staple pairs perfectly with almost anything, providing a canvas for your style to shine. Next, consider a crisp, white button-down shirt. It's a versatile piece that can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. Thirdly, a blazer is a must-have. It adds an element of sophistication to any outfit, even a simple jeans and t-shirt combo. The little black dress, always timeless and elegant, is another crucial addition. It's your go-to for formal events and can be transformed with accessories for a new look each time. Last but not least, comfortable sneakers. They're ideal for those casual, on-the-go days while still keeping you looking stylish. These basics can form the foundation of countless stylish outfits. Clothes that fit well always look more stylish. You've probably heard this fashion mantra before, and for good reason. The right fit can elevate even the most basic outfit, making it look intentional and put together. So how do you ensure your clothes fit well? First, know your body type and measurements. This will help you select the right size when shopping, whether you're in a physical store or online. Second, don't shy away from the fitting room. Try on clothes before you buy them. This will give you an idea of how they sit on your body and whether any alterations are needed. Third, remember that tailoring is your friend. A good tailor can adjust a garment to fit your body perfectly, transforming an average piece into a wardrobe star. Above all, comfort is key. Clothes should follow your body's natural lines without being constricting. Ensure your clothing isn't too loose or too tight. A well-fitted outfit is not only stylish but also boosts your confidence. Accessories can make or break an outfit. That's the golden rule when it comes to fashion. Accessories are like the cherry on top of a sundae, the finishing touch that can elevate your outfit from ordinary to extraordinary. They are the exclamation point to your fashion statement. Consider items like scarves, hats, belts, and statement jewelry. Each piece has its own charm and can add a dash of personality to your look. A bold, chunky necklace can transform a simple white tee into a head-turning ensemble, while a carefully chosen belt can add definition and flair to an oversized dress. And let's not forget about hats and scarves. They're not just for bad hair days or chilly weather. They're fashion tools in their own right, capable of adding a dash of intrigue and sophistication to any outfit. But remember, balance is key. If your outfit is already flamboyant, choose subtle accessories. On the other hand, if your clothing is understated, feel free to go wild with your accessory choices. It's all about creating a harmonious overall look. Now, let's move on to the art of mix and match. This is where you can really let your creativity shine. Mixing and matching different pieces allows you to create unique outfits and extend your wardrobe without investing in new clothes. Think about pairing a flowy bohemian skirt with a sleek leather jacket for an unexpected yet stylish combination. Or try pairing a plaid shirt with a polka dot tie for a quirky, fun look. The possibilities are endless. And don't be afraid to mix high and low fashion. Pairing a designer piece with something from a thrift store can result in a unique, stylish look that's all your own. It's about breaking the rules, stepping out of your comfort zone, and embracing the unexpected. Remember, fashion is a form of self-expression. It's all about showcasing your individuality and personal style. So don't be afraid to experiment. Play around with different combinations until you find what works for you. Get creative with your wardrobe by mixing and matching different pieces to create unique outfits. That's the essence of true style. Invest in high-quality clothing items that will last longer and look better than cheap fast fashion alternatives. This mantra is a cornerstone of a truly stylish wardrobe. Fashion is not only about trends or aesthetics, but it's also about the quality of the pieces you choose to wear. When you opt for quality over quantity, you're making a long-term investment in your style. High-quality pieces are crafted with attention to detail, making them more durable and timeless. They're designed to withstand the test of time, both in terms of style and wearability. Quality clothing isn't just about durability, though. It's about how these pieces look and feel on you. The better the quality, the better the fit, and the more comfortable you are. This comfort and fit can significantly boost your confidence, which is key to looking stylish. Moreover, quality pieces often feature superior fabrics and craftsmanship, which inherently look and feel more luxurious. So don't be swayed by quantity. Instead, choose pieces that are well made and will stand the test of time. After all, quality fabrics and craftsmanship can elevate your style. Learn about color theory and how to match colors effectively. This is a mantra that can transform your style game from average to awe-inspiring. In the world of fashion, color coordination is a powerful tool that allows you to create harmonious and eye-catching outfits. It's all about understanding the color wheel, the relationships between colors, and how they interact with each other. For example, complementary colors, which sit opposite each other on the color wheel, can create bold and dynamic looks. Think of a royal blue dress paired with vibrant orange accessories. On the other hand, analogous colors, which are next to each other on the wheel, can create a more subtle and harmonious look. Picture a sunset, with its warm hues of red, orange, and yellow. Remember, color coordination isn't just about your clothes. It extends to your accessories, your makeup, and even your hair. So, if you're wearing a green top, you might consider adding some earthy brown accessories or choosing a lipstick in a warm peach tone. Now, let's pivot to another critical aspect of your outfit: your shoes. Footwear, often an overlooked element, can be a statement piece that either completes or disrupts your ensemble. The right pair can elevate your outfit, add personality, and even change the entire vibe of your look. Consider investing in a few versatile pairs that can complement a variety of outfits. Classic sneakers, for instance, can pair well with jeans for a casual look, but can also add an unexpected twist to a formal dress. Leather boots can add a rugged charm to your outfit, while formal shoes can lend a polished finish to your ensemble. It's important to match your footwear to the tone of your outfit and the occasion. A pair of stilettos might not be the best choice for a picnic, just as sneakers might not be suitable for a black tie event. The key is to balance comfort and style, remembering that the right footwear is as much a part of your outfit as your clothes. A well-coordinated color palette and the right footwear can make even simple outfits look stylish. So, next time you're putting an outfit together, take a moment to consider your color choices and the shoes you're going to wear. You might be surprised at how these small details can make a big difference. Personal grooming, including hairstyle and skincare, can significantly impact your overall style. It's about presenting yourself in a way that reflects your personal taste and attention to detail. Whether it's a neatly styled haircut or a skin that's well cared for, these aspects of grooming can make a world of difference in how you present yourself. Grooming is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. When you invest time in taking care of yourself, it boosts your self-esteem and confidence. And let's not forget, confidence is the best accessory you can wear. It's the invisible charm that makes your style unique and memorable. When you carry yourself with confidence, your style resonates and people notice. You become a beacon of self-assured elegance, and that's something that transcends the latest fashion trends. So remember, don't just focus on what you wear, but also on how you wear it. A well-groomed appearance and confidence can elevate any outfit. Remember that style is a personal expression of yourself, so there are no strict rules. We've explored a range of tips, from understanding your personal style and investing in wardrobe essentials, to the importance of fit and accessorizing. We've also discussed the value of quality, color coordination, grooming, and the power of confidence. Don't forget to experiment with your style, make sustainable fashion choices, and most importantly, be yourself. The most important thing is to feel comfortable and confident in what you're wearing. That's the key to looking stylish every day.